Hi, my name is Destiny Crystal and you are watching DK Hair Tips. So this is the first installment for the curly hair summer or summer curly hair series. Curly hair summer series. Yes, for the curly hair summer series, where I will be doing a review intermittently throughout the summer until about September on different types of curly hair and the different strains. I'm doing a review on Alimice hair from Amazon. This is Malaysian curly, I believe, 24 inches, and it is a 13x4 unit. So this hair is actually really nice. Couple of key points about it. It does not have that much lace. It's only about 4 inches back. So that's something you're gonna have to be aware of when you purchase the hair. The curl pattern is a little bit tighter than I thought it was gonna be. But I noticed that when you wet it, it does come out just a little loose. And you can wear it in multiple ways. So you can wear it like this, nice and wet, and put mousse on it to have that like wet, sleek look. Or you can do the dry look because the hair is definitely fluffy enough to accomplish that. So this is the 150 density. With curly hair, you never want to go too high in density because it will limit your versatility, like what you can do with the hair. So keep it between 150, 180, so that way if you cut the hair, it's still nice and full and natural looking, but it's not too big that it just looks like what's happening when it dries. Out of a 10, I would rate this hair a 9. Simply because the lace is giving what it needs to give. The lace was not that hard to maneuver. So easy for me to do my baby hairs and style it, and it's quick. The texture of the hair is everything. It's very soft and I love that. And of course with curly hair, give it a week, girl. It's not gonna be as soft, but the beginning product is what you really wanna pay attention to, and the starting point is perfect. And I love how the hair comes layered already. So I barely did anything to this hair, like TBH. Tops, 30 minutes from packet to hair to install, done. Like, it was very, very easy. So if you're interested in wearing curly hair this summer, definitely try out Alimice Malaysian Curly 24 inches, 150 density, 13x4 lace. You're gonna love it. It's amazing. Like, let's take a moment to just, yes, giving the girls angles, looks, curls. As per usual, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Also, check out my website, imohali.com. That has all of my content and all of the things that I create. And until next time, bye.
Thank you.